In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move a Smartsheet to a workspace step by step. This is a really common task, especially if you're organizing projects, collaborating with different teams, or cleaning up your Smartsheet account. While Smartsheet doesn't technically let you directly move a sheet between workspaces, there is a safe and simple workaround using duplication, and that's exactly what I'll walk you through today. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Smartsheet tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and open the sheet that you want to move to a different workspace. Once the sheet is open, look toward the top of the screen where you'll see the menu options for your sheet. Click on the three dots menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. This menu contains additional actions you can take on the sheet, including duplication, which is the key to moving it into a workspace. From the menu, click on Duplicate. This opens the Duplicate Sheet window, where you can choose exactly where the copied version of your sheet will live. This is how Smartsheet allows you to effectively move a sheet by creating a duplicate in the destination workspace. In the Duplicate window, you'll see an option to choose a location. Click on Browse so you can select where the duplicated sheet will be saved. When the location browser opens, click on All Workspaces. This allows you to see every workspace that you have access to in your Smartsheet account. Take your time here and scroll through the list if needed, especially if you have multiple workspaces. Once you see the workspace where you want the sheet to be moved, click to select it. After selecting the workspace, double-check that it's the correct destination, especially if the sheet contains important data or is shared with other collaborators. When you're ready, click on OK to confirm the location. Now that the destination workspace has been selected, you'll be returned to the Duplicate Settings window. At this point, you can review any additional options if they're available, such as whether to keep attachments, comments, or sharing settings, depending on your Smartsheet plan. Once everything looks good, click on Duplicate again to complete the process. Smartsheet will now create a copy of your sheet inside the selected workspace. After the duplication finishes, navigate to the workspace you chose and confirm that the sheet is there. You should now see the duplicated version of your sheet inside that workspace. At this stage, you've successfully moved the sheet by duplicating it into the workspace. If you no longer need the original sheet in its old location, you can safely delete it, as long as you're sure the duplicated version is correct and up to date. This helps keep your Smartsheet environment clean and organized. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to move a Smartsheet to a workspace using the built-in duplicate feature. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone else who works with Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.